Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to collaborate with other YouTubers on YouTube. Now the first thing you need to do is find potential collaborators. To find potential collaborators, you need to identify YouTubers with similar audiences like yours. Look for channels with content that aligns with yours. Consider their audience demographics, their interests, and engagement levels. After identifying YouTubers with similar audiences, next thing you need to do is to explore communities. Engage in YouTube communities and forums where you can connect with other creators. Next, you have to use collaboration tools. Some platforms specifically facilitate collaboration between YouTubers, e.g. collab.space. So once you've found potential collaborators, the next step is to reach out and initiate contact. Be professional and personalized by crafting a brief personalized message to each potential collaborator. In that message, introduce yourself and your channel. Briefly explain your channel's content and audience, and express your admiration for their work and why you think a collaboration will be beneficial. Don't forget to suggest a specific collaboration idea or two. After introducing yourself, the next thing you need to do is to choose the right platform. So use this platform's preferred method of contact, e.g. email, direct message on Twitter or Instagram. Next, after reaching out to them, the next thing you need to do is plan and execute the collaboration. How? By discussing logistics. You need to agree. You and these collaborators need to agree on the format of the collaboration. It's going to be a joint video, guest appearances, what have you. Next, set a timeline and deadlines for filming, editing, and uploading. Then you have to determine who will handle which tasks, e.g. who will handle the filming aspect, the editing aspect, and the promotion aspect. Then collaborate effectively by communicating openly and honestly throughout the process. Don't forget to be mindful and respectful of each other's time and creative vision. Also strive to create high-quality content that resonates with both audiences. After creating what you want to collaborate on, or executing your collaboration, the next thing to do is to promote the collaboration by cross-promoting on your channels. Share the collaborated video on both your channels and encourage viewers to subscribe to the other creators' channel. Don't forget to utilize social media. Promote your collaboration on each other's social media platforms. Don't forget also to engage with viewers. Always respond to comments and questions from viewers on both channels. Once you're through with all this, next is to analyze and learn. Review the performance of the collaboration, analyze viewership, engagement, and audience feedback. You also need to identify areas for improvement by learning from the experience and applying those learnings to future collaborations. Let me give you some tips for success. 1. Always build relationships. Focus on building genuine relationships with other creators. Also be patient because collaboration often takes time to materialize. Don't get discouraged if you do not receive immediate responses. Also, most importantly, have fun. Collaboration should be an enjoyable experience, so make sure you have fun. By following these steps and maintaining a professional and collaborative approach, you can successfully collaborate with other YouTubers and expand your reach on the platform. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.